In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Lenovo laptop touchpad not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, the first thing you want to do is enable the touchpad using a keyboard shortcut. Many Lenovo laptops have a shortcut that disables the touchpad, so look for a key with a touchpad icon like F6, F8, or F10. And then what you want to go ahead and do is press Fn and the touchpad key, then wait a few seconds and test the touchpad. Now on Windows 11, what you could also go ahead and do is open up your settings. So I'm going to go over to my settings right now. Then go over to Bluetooth and devices on the left. And then in this section, go ahead and select touchpad. And make sure touchpad is turned on and then test the cursor again. And then after that, you should be good to go. And if you're on Windows 10, open settings, click devices, select touchpad, and then turn touchpad on there too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.